subcompact crossover. Punta lang tayo sa mall kasi nandun daw yung display. 2025 Geely Coolray Sport Plus. Yung price, 1,149,000 pesos. Maganda yung design ng front fascia. Mas aggressive look compare sa previous model. May front camera, LED headlamps with DRL. Wala nga lang fog light. Fake vent lang to, hindi siya functional, pero maganda naman tignan. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Carbon fiber design yung side mirror cover. May camera for panoramic view. Para to sa lane keeping assist, pero hindi ko sure kung nagpa-function din as blind spot monitor. Okay naman yung ground clearance. Hindi to equipped ng smart entry button, pero keyless entry pa rin gamit yung key fob. Check natin yung interior. Two-tone perforated leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual seat adjustment naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Soft leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering na to, kaya expect nyo na magaan. Medyo makapal din yung feel nitong steering wheel. Gusto ko yung ganitong flat bottom design. Dagdag forma at extra space. Full screen na yung instrument cluster. Push start ignition. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, medyo mataas yung ride height. Kita pa rin yung hood ng konti. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12-inch infotainment screen. Single zone automatic climate control. Gusto ko yung ganitong layout, simple lang at magandang tignan. Okay din yung feel ng switch, solid and premium feel. May 2 USB-A port, wireless charging pad, 7-speed wet dual clutch transmission. Naka-electronic parking brake with drive mode select. May 12-volt socket sa baba ng center console. Medyo matigas lang yung center armrest, pero naka-leather wrap naman. Check natin yung storage. Medyo malaki na rin yung storage space. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Equipped din to ng panoramic sunroof. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Two-tone leather seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom. Okay naman yung knee room, maluwag na rin. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, pero hindi naman sobrang taas ng hump. Bitin yung foot space sa middle seat, pero yung seating position, okay lang. May AC vent at USB port. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Check natin yung cargo space. Okay naman yung design ng rear end, modern and aggressive look. Carbon fiber design yung spoiler. Parang okay naman yung spoiler kasi hindi siya sobrang laki. LED yung taillight. May light bar, reverse camera, parking sensor, naka-dual exhaust with quad tips. Equipped na rin to ng power liftgate. Malaki na rin yung cargo space. Nandito sa underfloor storage yung spare tire. 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine. Based sa engine specs, parang maganda yung performance nito. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.